Live selection allows you to select elements in a view or filter a pre-selection of elements. You can select elements in an active view by category, family, and type, or filter a selection made in the view. The live selection feature is located within the Find and Select group in Naviate Accelerate. Let's first look at how to use the feature without any pre-selection of elements. I can click on the command and it will pull up the dialog box for live selection. Now, to note, this is a modeless dialog, meaning I can keep it open and continue to work in the model, making any model or data changes I need. When I need to use it again, I can simply click on the feature and it will activate once more. In the dialog, you'll see two tabs at the top, Elements in View and Elements by Selection. Elements by selection will be used when you have elements pre-selected, and we'll look at that in a moment. Elements in View will show me all categories available in my active view. I can then look at all of the categories and either check on an entire category or even multiple categories in my view. If I expand one of the categories using the plus sign, I then get access to all of the families within that category, and I can do it once more to expand to see all of the types of that family in this view. I can then only select one type from a family, an entire family, or again, the entire category. Because this is a modeless dialog, I can also use this auto refresh button, which will allow me to move from level to level or view to view and maintain this selection. For example, if I wanted to open the second floor plan, all I have to do is activate the live selection and we can see that it selects the same elements that I had in my previous view. Now let's take a look at elements by pre-selection. It works very similarly, except now it'll only filter or select things that I have pre-selected. So I can select an area of my model, come over to the live selection feature, and now it automatically goes to the second tab, which is Elements by Selection. It'll show all categories in my selection, and again allow me to filter down to the family and the type within that selection. And if I only wanted to select a particular type or deselect any of the types, I could simply check on and check off what I want selected within my pre-selection of elements. And that's the live selection feature.